Lily, are you playing with Mommy's jezzball game, huh? Yeah? Okay, get off. Get off. Oh. Okay, there we go. They're moving again. Are you gonna get them? Huh? You gonna get them? What you gonna do? Huh? What you gonna do, sweetheart? You gonna get the balls? Huh? Lily? Yeah, you get them. Oh no, we paused it again. Hold on. Okay. Get the balls. Yeah, you get the balls. You get the balls. Yeah, you get them. Okay. Take your paw for just a second. There you go. There you go. Oh, now you paused it again. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. Get him. Are you gonna get him? Huh? Lily, what you gonna do? Are you gonna get him? Huh? That's me, girl. Get those balls. Get them before they get away. Get them. Oh, now we paused it again. Not gonna do anything while you pause it. Yeah, there you go. Get them. Oh, it paused again, sweetheart. Hold on. Okay, get them. Get them. You can't get them from underneath. Yeah, they're not underneath the iPad. I don't know what you're doing. Okay, Lily. Come on. Get those balls. Get them. Well, now I don't know what it's doing. You gonna get them?